I use AI tools in my business pretty much every day. And if you haven't started that process, I encourage you to use it, get comfortable with it, start ramping with it. The tools are powerful already, and they are growing so fast. It's going to be, for now, it's a competitive advantage. Soon it will shift to be competitive vulnerability if you're not up to date on it. All that said, I'm a firm believer that you have to be very careful with AI and treat it as what it is, and that is a tool, not as your business leader. And the reason that is um, business is all about relationships. Business are successful when they connect with their clients, and connecting is a human thing, and AI sometimes sounds or simulates human things, but your customers will know at the end of the day uh, who they really know and who they trust, and the most human wins. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips for how you can be thinking about this as you apply AI in your business. So first, your identity. That's your brand. That's who you are, and you need it to be authentic, right? Businesses that represent authentically who they are, what they deliver, what they believe for their clients, are the ones that clients can relate to. And so you have to be careful that you aren't letting AI choose your identity. You don't let AI recommend what you should think, right? Identity is not about how good your brand looks, it's about how real your brand is. Second, your communications. This one, you're probably already aware of the challenge here. AI makes writing content and creating videos and messages so much easier. It's incredibly productive at that. But you need to make sure that AI is helping you tell your story, not creating your story. So AI, if you remember, if you know, it is drawing from all the information on the internet when it helps you. And if you don't give it the proper direction about the help you want, you can end up sounding like everybody else. Or worse yet, sounding like a robot. We've all received the messages and the emails from, or even sometimes the videos it's starting from people that aren't people. And that is not a way to gain the trust of your clients and build relationships. And then third, delivery. It doesn't stop with how you talk about your business. It's about how you show up and how your product shows up in their business. And I think the opportunity here, as well as in the identity and the communications, is that it's not just to avoid sounding artificial. It's that in a world where so many companies sound and act artificial, if you are human, if you show up as a human and authentic, you will win, right? You will stand out because you will be first in line for a trusted partner based on your ability to share who you are and what you do realistically, authentically, and generously with your clients. So I hope you keep this in mind as you move down the AI path, that it's an awesome productivity tool, but you don't want it to be in charge. You want to emphasize your humanity in your business, because that is going to be a differentiating factor in the future more and more.